Jai Hind everyone. This is Pragati Pandey, your maths teacher, and I'm here with a new part of this chapter in this video, that is knowing our numbers. So in the previous video we have discussed about the test of divisibility of numbers, and we have also gone through exercise 3.3. So basically these things we have completed, but in test of divisibility we have left test of divisibility of 9, 10, 11. So we will discuss these tests of divisibility and solve several questions based on this test of divisibility of 9, 10 and 11. We will see some other test of divisibility like 14 and 25 based on the exercise. So let's start. So we were here on this exercise, and your first, second, fourth question, fifth and sixth, it was your assignment work, and I hope you have completed that. If there is any doubt, tell me in the question hour and I will surely solve that doubts or give you the solution of the doubts in the next video. Okay, so let's start the test of divisibility by 9. Basically, if you go through the test of divisibility by 9, so the test of divisibility by 9 is if the sum of the digits are divisible by 9, that is the sum of the numbers is divisible by 9, the number will also be divisible by 9. Let's see it with an example. You can see here that it is 1989, that means 1989. We will first see that what is the sum of these numbers. You can see the sum of this number is 1 plus 9 plus 8 plus 9, that is 27. And now we will see that this 21 is divisible by 9 or not. So you can see 9 3s are 27. Okay, so this is divisible by, the sum of the numbers is divisible by 9, so this number will also be divisible by 9. Let's prove it. 1989 when divided by 9, 9 2 ja 18. Here you can see that 2 ja 18, and here it is 9, 1 ja 9. So you can see that this number is divisible by 9. So the test of divisibility by 9 is if the sum of the digits are divisible by 9, the number will also be divisible by 9. Okay, so test of divisibility by 10 is if the last digit, that is unit digit of any number, is 0, so the number will be divisible by 10. Example is 70, 500 or 8000 or anything, which you will consider the unit digit. This unit digit should be 0, and if it is 0, it will be divisible by 10. So this was the divisibility by 10. Now we will move to the divisibility by 11. Here is the test of divisibility by 11. In test of divisibility by 11, what we will do, the difference of the sum of alternate numbers from left to right is divisible by 11. The number will also be divisible by 11. That means जो किसी भी नंबर्स में जो अल्टरनेट नंबर्स होते हैं उनको हमको ऐड करके फिर बाद में उसका हमें डिफरेंस फाइंड करना है. अगर वो डिफरेंस 11 से डिविजिबल है तो नंबर भी 11 से डिविजिबल होगा. लेट्स सी विथ एन एग्जांपल. ओके, सो you can see that here it is an example is 1,37,269. What we will do, we will first signify the alternate number. So you can see that alternate number means एक के बाद एक छोड़ के दूसरा नंबर. तो आप देख सकते हैं एक है, एक के बाद 1 3 7, तो 1 के बाद एक छोड़ के दूसरा नंबर 7 है, 7 के बाद एक नंबर छोड़ के तीसरा लास्ट है 6. So 1 3 7 और 1 7 and 6 आर अल्टरनेट नंबर्स. वेयर एज अगर हम देखेंगे 3 2 और 9 ये अल्टरनेट नंबर्स हैं. तो बेसिकली इन अल्टरनेट नंबर्स का सम जब हम इनको ऐड कर लें और इनको आपस में सब्ट्रैक्ट कर लें, अगर आंसर 0 या डिविजिबल बाय 11 होता है तो वो जो होगा, जो नंबर होगा वो 11 से डिविजिबल होगा. देखते हैं यहाँ पे 1 7 and 6 जब हमने ऐड किया तो हमारे पास 14 आया. वहीं पे जब हमने 3, 2 और 9 को ऐड किया तो हमारे पास आया 14. नाउ व्हेन 14 minus 14 it will give 0. So what the condition of divisibility of 11 is, if the difference of these two numbers is 0 or any number which is divisible by 11, so the number will also be divisible by 11. अब हम इसको 11 से डिवाइड करके देखेंगे. This is our number. Let's divide. You can see that in 11, 1 times it will go 27, then 2 times it will go 22, then after 5 remainder 5, this 2 will be written over here. Now 4 times it will be 44, here it is 86. Now it will go 7 times, that will be 77, and we have 9, that will go 9 times, and it will be 99. You can see that this number is divisible by 11. So basically what we do, we only see the test of divisibility. The difference of the sum of alternate numbers from left to right is divisible by 11. The number will also be divisible by 11. Let's see with another example. Here is another example. You can see that here it is 1,07,261. Here the alternate numbers are 176, 176 and 021. We will add the alternate numbers. 176 when added it will give 14, and 021 will give 3 only. When the difference is, when we find the difference, 14 minus 3, that will be 11, and 11 is divisible by 11 itself, that 1 times it will go, so the number is divisible by 11. So this was the test of divisibility by 11. I hope you have understand. Now we will move to our exercise. This was your question number 1. Now you can see that here it is by 9 also. You will do it now. 2, 3, 4, 5 we have already concluded, and right now we have concluded the test of divisibility by 9. So you will go through this and solve the question. Now question number 3, we have dropped this question in the previous video. Now we will conclude this also. Okay, so in question number 3 it is saying that check the divisibility of 6,125, 50,100 and 32,950 by 25. So what we will do, we will see that what is the test of divisibility by 25. So the test of divisibility by 25 is, last 2 digits of any number are divisible by 25, then the number will also be divisible by 25. Okay, so let's see this. Here is an example. You can see that 7,25,975. So how we can see that it is divisible by 25? What we will do, we will see the last 2 digits, that is 75, and this 75 is divisible by 25, so the number will also be divisible by 25. You can see that 25 2s are 50 and 25 3s are 75, so this number is divisible by 25, so we can say that this whole number will also be divisible by 25. So let's see in the question. You can see that first part is 6,125, last 2 digit is 25, that means it is divisible by 25. You can see the second one is 50,100, 25 4s are 100, so this can also be divisible by 25. Now the third one is 32,950, last 2 digit is 50 and 25 2s are 50, so this number will also be divisible by 25. Second part of this question is, it is saying that we have to check the divisibility of 14. So what we will do for checking the divisibility of 14, we will see the test of divisibility by 14. The test of divisibility by 14 says, if the number is divisible by 2 and 7 both, basically the number should be divisible by 2 and 7 both, the number will be divisible by 14. Let's see what we know, that if we check the number that is divisible by 2, we will go through the last digit of the number should be even, that means 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, such type of numbers should be there, that they will be divisible by 2. Okay, and also the test of divisibility by 2 is unit digit of any number is divisible by 2, that means it will be divisible by 2. So basically, first of all, for checking the test of divisibility by 14, we will go through the test of divisibility by 2. If it is divisible by 2, then we will proceed with 7. Let's see with the question. Now in this question you can see that three parts are there: 3032, 2016 and 3750. So you can see that the unit digit of each number is 2, 6 and 0, so they should be divisible by 2. We can easily say that. Now we will see that which number is divisible by 7. For checking the test of divisibility by 7, we can either divide the number frequently, or we will go through the test of divisibility by 7. So test of divisibility by 7 says that twice of the number, the unit number, suppose 2 is the unit number of first part of this question, 2 is the unit number, so twice of this when subtracted from 303, the resultant value will be divisible by 7, so the number will also be divisible by 7. So basically I think you should go with the frequent division. So you will find that this 2016 will be the right answer of this question. Okay, now question number 4, this was your assignment work, but let's see it now. You can see that it is 720 and one factor is given here 15, so you will divide this 720 by 15. Okay, the resultant value will be the answer of this question mark. Okay, and here it is 15. You can see that 15, the factor of 15 is 3 and 5, so the answer will be here, that is 3 and 5. Okay, like this you have to do. In here it is 720, when you divide this by 15 you will get 48 as the answer here, that is 1548, just 720, this question mark will be the answer 48. So you will write the factor of 48, that is 6 and 8, 8 and 6, 8 6 are 48, you can write this 8 and 6 here. Okay, or 24 into 2, you will write the resultant value, that is 22, 24 into 2 will be the 48, and here it is 12, 12 2 ja 24. So in this way you have to write the answer for this tree, factor tree. Now we will move to our next question, 5 and 6, which were your assignment work. Now question number 7, check that divisibility of the following number by 10 and 11. Right now we have gone through the test of divisibility by 10 and 11. You have to solve this question. And the question number 8 is write the true or false of the following statement. This is also your assignment work. So your assignment work is exercise 3.3. Okay, so thank you students. Till then, stay safe, stay healthy. Thank you. We will proceed HCF and LCM in the next video. Thank you.